Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add movies to your library in YouTube TV. Now, as you can see here guys, I'm currently in my library and I have a movie here that is added to my library. And how does it work? It basically will start to record. Once you add a movie to your library, it's going to start to record it so that you can be able to watch that movie, right? So how does it work? So what you want to do, click the, let's say, the shopping icon on the upper right hand side, and here you want to basically find the movie that you want. You have some things that are featured that you can click on, or you can go ahead and you can click on movies from those different tabs here, or there's many options here, right? So you can click on movies. And once you're in the movies tab, what you want to do is just simplify the movie that you want to add. So let's say I want to add, for example, Flow. I can click on it and you will see it appear, and you want to click the plus on the upper right hand side. Once you click on that, it's going to basically tell you that it start recording, and here if you hover over it, it's going to say stop recording. So what this basically does, it adds it to your library. And if I click off this three dots here to close it and go to my library, you will see that Flow is now in my library. And that's how you add a movie to your library and YouTube TV. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.